love. Can I interest you in a little bowl of porridge? Do you like a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, a bit of sugar? There you go. There you go, tuck in. Because up here in Scotland, you know, a lot of people like a bit of salt. Now, do you eat a lot of porridge?
We'll do like that actually. Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much.
Right,
Yeah,
spread the word.
I will do.
What's that? Okay, what's the show? How you doing? What's that you got? A minion. That's nice, eh?
What we've got in here is heart, liver and lung from lambs. Lamb's heart, liver and lung, and that's been boiled until it's cooked through. And the next thing that's going to happen is it's going to get minced. So that's ox suet, remoulade, this is pinhead oatmeal, and the spices and the salts. And
it's all measured.
that's all measured out. Wojtek's done all that previous. So what we do is mix all the dry ingredients up. Right. So the next thing we're on here is we'll get this minced here. I'll just clear the head of this mincer. good just now, but once it all mixes up in there, that's when it starts to smell and look good. Smell good. There you go.
That was beef suet.
Beef suet, yeah.
And the plucks, how much do they cost?
Quite nominal. Generally, on the lambs
Approximately.
the lambs you're killing during the year.
Sure.
The lambs you're killing during the year, they're you see, keep a little splash just to get it to. Just want it just enough that it holds its shape a little bit, but it's wet enough that it's not going to be too dry. And that is your haggis mix, ready to be put into skins, and that's what we'll show into that one next. I have a hydraulic fillet. It's like a big piston, hydraulic that comes up, squirts out the pump on the end. So that goes in here next. Right, that'll be fine for that. Now that's it in there. Shut the lid. Now, what we'll do is first we'll run some off into artificial skins, which are more commonly used nowadays, and then we'll run some of the natural ones in the sheep stomachs. Just ready to be steamed for 45 minutes. Just do a few of these. The advantages of the plastic skins is when they're reheated, they're less likely to burst. So it's far less expensive because the natural ones all have to be imported because the government won't lift the ban on using our own ones. So I'll leave them there.
Do you sell them like that? Or do you have to cook them?
They'll now get cooked.
By law you have to cook them. Is that?
Well, you need to, that's been done, but now they're sort of
Still raw.
yes, they're still raw, there's raw suit in that, there's cooked plucks. Now all has to be cooked for it all to come together. Right, and the next one, these are the traditional skins. Something like that, good handful in between each one.
Is that the intestine then, yeah?
Stomach, sheep's stomach.
Big stomach.
It's a stomach.
The other thought before when you got a chieftain haggis, I thought that was the size of the pig's the
No,
sheep stomach.
no.
That was it.
Well, they're all actually cut in half. They're twice the length of that.
Really? So you don't have an
And there's a bit, there's a hole in the middle of each one. I think it's the belly button. Like that. Now, what we do with these ones, each one is tied just quite tightly like that. And when the natural skins cook, they actually shrink and draw in and tighten round the pudding.
The oatmeal probably swells up a bit as well. doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it absorbs a lot of the water from inside the... And there we have some natural and some artificial haggis. Now it's the Blue Peter time where you'll see them go into the oven and you'll see the ones that we done earlier. Put these in the oven, normally there'll be more to the tray, each tray. These are put in there and they're cooked for roughly about an hour at 90 degrees. Until they come to about 84 degrees Fahrenheit in the centre, and then that's them ready to go. Then they'll come out, chilled immediately, and that's when they become the ones you just